Welcome back to Green Country Custom Baits. We're going to be doing a customer's order. We've got 4 baits laid out here. We're going to be matching this crawl that he calls the mustard brown crawl. Let's get right to it. Spray some paint today. Okay, we got our DT6. We've got 2 of those and a couple of our larger shad wraps, base coated. We're just going to cover the majority of this bait with our mustard color. Doesn't have to be uniform on the top. And the bottom, because we're going to have other colors there. And next up, we're going to hit the belly. And, you know, you can go in any order you want to as far as that goes. But I want to get a little more on the sides here. Get that orange to come up a little bit higher in the belly area. So next up, we've got to decide what crawl markings, crawl pattern we want to go with. And I usually always come back to my old original. And these old DTs are pretty thick, pretty broad right here in the belly region. So we're reducing our pressure down to 10. I want to get some fairly large splatter drops on the side. With our black. Again, just taking off the nozzle cap. Sometimes if it don't start coming out right away, turn your pressure back up and get it spraying if the brush is set for any, or your paint's not thinned enough. There we go. Add a little of that brown in with it. Now, what I'm going to do on this, I'm going to see if I can put some of these small little, I like these 3D eyes a lot better than the painted ones. So we're going to put some small ones on in yellow. And a little bit of that glue to it. Now these are tiny. brown mustard crawl. Customer requested this. It's very similar to my spring crawl, really is. But we're going to call this brown mustard crawl. So, again, he sent me a probably somebody else's creation to kind of try to match, and so I think we've accomplished that, except we've put our spin on it. And thank you guys for joining in. Make sure you stay around to look at all 4 of these pictures of them. I think it's going to be pretty cool to see what these shad wraps look like in a crawl pattern. Something a little bit different. So stick around for that. Make sure you like and subscribe the video if that's how you feel. And by all means, share. So until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.
Thank you.